Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we want to show you how to work with vintage movie titles. In After Effects, we import the desired footage. By double-clicking in the project window, we can import the items we want. We drag the footage and drop it onto the new composition icon to create a new comp based on the desired footage. Then, we also import the vintage movie title project. Within that folder, there are 30 types of vintage titles, and we choose one from among them. For example, I choose title number 11. All you need to do is drag and drop the title onto the timeline. You'll see that the title is easily displayed on the footage. In this package, you have the ability to edit the text colors, shadow colors, and the text itself. By double-clicking on the layer, we enter the comp and can see the layers inside it. By clicking on the Settings layer, in the Effect Control window, we can access settings related to color and blur. Usually, Text Color 1 is the color setting related to the main title, and Text Color 2 is the color setting for other texts. For example, we change the color of the main title to orange and the color of the rest of the text to yellow. Here, we can even turn the blur effect on or off on the text. We return to the main comp and can observe the changes. However, if we want to see the color changes simultaneously on the footage, we can do this by activating Viewer Lock. We select this icon, then enter the title comp, and then we can apply the color changes while simultaneously viewing the background. You can change the title and even other text as well. To do this, simply double-click on the title layer and then write your desired title. In the character window, you can also slightly change the font size. Additionally, you can change the names used in these texts. Now we test a different title on a different footage. By double-clicking in the project window, we can import the items we want. We drag the footage and drop it onto the new composition icon to create a new comp. Here I go to title 23. I drag it and drop it on the timeline. If the size of the title is larger than the comp, you can easily fit it to the size of the comp with this shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-Shift-G. Just like the previous method, we can change the color of the texts. This package also includes items like light leak and film grain, which you can add to your project for a more vintage feel. To import the light leak folder, simply select the folder and click on the Import Folder option. I choose one of them and drag it under the title in the timeline. We resize it to match the comp size and set its mode to screen. We also add the grain folder in the project window. We add one to the timeline and set its mode to overlay. I hope this tutorial has been useful for you and that you can carry out awesome projects with it. Until next time.